Hey Forge fans, so we got you set up last year with getting ready with your goals, with your vision board, with mapping out your plan for success. Now, we've got something extra special for you.
Okay, this is where implementation is really happening, because what's most important is making those phone calls. I make a lot of money off of making sure I make my dials every single day. Now, we all have that little camera shyness or phone shyness where we don't want to make the calls. Oh, I don't think I'm good enough, I don't want to bother people. 500 reasons why you don't want to. But the truth is, money happens by making phone calls.
Yeah, conversations turn into commissions, right?
Yes.
So we're going to work on that. We brought in a special guest for February's meeting, and he's going to talk to us about how to make effective phone calls.
Yes, his name's Mustafa. He's a good friend of mine, and he trains people like over 1,000 agents across the country, and he trains on scripts and dialogues almost every single day, and we got him to come to just our Forge group and help us. He's going to help you manage objections. He's going to help you with your scripts. He's going to help you kind of work with the mindset, get out of your head so you can make the most effective calls, because dials, conversations, commissions, it happens.
Yeah, and he's gonna make it sound natural, right? Not like a sales call. Hey, do you want to buy my stuff? It's like, no, you're having a natural conversation flow.
Yeah, but not just natural. He's going to give you proven methodology scripts that will actually convert if you just memorize them and work on them. So
great.
Don't want to miss this one, you guys. We'll see you there. Bye.
Thanks.